What did you get?
A Luigi card from Mario Kart.
No way. A Mario Kart. Let me see, Luigi.
Who gave me this?
I did. Mommy and Daddy. Happy Valentine's. I'm me.
Look. One more present.
One more.
Pez. A Perry Pez.
A Perry Pez.
A Mickey Pez for him.
Oh no. Which one is it? Here.
Oopsie.
Rip it open.
I love Luigi. I'm gonna blow your hair. Whoa!
Who is it?
Donald Duck.
A Donald Duck. Look, Boston, look what Sam got.
A Donald Duck Pez? Cool.
Ah, cool. Happy Valentine's Day.